Can I make money online? Yes, you can make money online. In fact, making money online is an incredibly popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. According to Pew Research, approximately 1 in 6 Americans have earned money from online gig platforms. From freelance writing to setting up your own online store, there are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online. Find freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed when you are a freelancer. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. Flex Jobs and Solid Gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work. In general, you will not have to worry about any scam jobs at Flex Jobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on Flex Jobs. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out Solid Gigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby vetting the opportunities for you. With Solid Gigs, you won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. Start a YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money online with a YouTube channel. The most popular way is to add AdSense ads to your videos. Every time someone clicks on your ad, you make money. You can also promote products in your videos on YouTube by wearing or using certain products in your videos. Add a link to your online store to get people to visit your store and buy your items or contract with third-party companies to promote their products. Just make sure you have a compelling offer for your viewers. Another way to make money on your YouTube channel is to create sponsored content. This way, you can make a profit by endorsing branded products or creating content marketing videos. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory, instead you act as the go-between. Find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself. From computers and clothing to jewelry and health food, there are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website and/or e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus, competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. Create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they're easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or, maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more, to folks that visit your blog. If you don't have your own goods to sell, you could become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money online by promoting other people's goods on your site. Whenever someone clicks on the link, you receive a commission from the sponsoring company. There are plenty of affiliate networks that have an extensive list of companies for you to join and become an affiliate marketer with. Another way to make money with your blog is to put AdSense ads on it. Every time someone clicks the ad, you make money. It can be a great way to earn passive income. Write and publish an ebook. If you have some measure of knowledge on any specific topic, you can always write and publish an ebook to make money online. Just be sure to write about a topic that is relevant to your blog. This will increase your chances of making a sale, since your audience comes to your blog because of your topic or niche. You can also develop a newsletter list and email potential buyers about your ebook. Develop an app. By developing an app, you can help put a brand right on the home screen of its audience's mobile devices. This way they can enjoy gamification, dedicated communities, and interactive content. App developers are in demand, so developing your own app or working for a company in need can be a great way to earn extra income. Become a virtual tutor. Tutors are always in demand. Whether you are a teacher or someone with specific knowledge, you can help learners improve their grades and prepare for exams. Just keep in mind that you should have the teaching experience and a subject-specific certification. This will help create credibility for both parents and students. Do some research, so you will understand your audience. From your skills, pick topics that you will feel confident teaching. Having specialization certification or an advanced degree will give you an additional advantage. There are a lot of teaching methods you can implement when you are a virtual tutor. You can use interactive activities, slides, storytelling, and even gamify your course lessons. Being a virtual tutor is one effective way to make money online. Become an influencer. Influencers are people who help persuade potential buyers of a product or service by promoting or recommending the items on social media or YouTube. If that appeals to you, start thinking about what your niche could be. Maybe you're interested in fashion or travel. Maybe you've got a lot of say about tech or fitness gear. Consider your strengths, and pick a niche that allows you to showcase those strengths. Once you pick your niche, it is time to market to an audience. You can do this with a blog or on social media platforms. Once you start building your audience, you can start selling to them. If you become popular, you might get the opportunity to represent specific brands and make money by promoting their products. Build websites. Today, every business needs a website. There is a huge market for web designers, and these days, you don't even need to know how to code in order to build a site. Using a service like MailChimp, you can easily build a website that looks sleek and professional. If you're building a website from scratch, you can even buy a domain through MailChimp that aligns with a particular topic or business. Just keep in mind that it's best to pick a niche before you start creating websites. Put together a nice portfolio of the website that you have created, then get out there and market yourself. Sell your art and photography. Another option is to sell your art and photography. If you are a creative person, you may want to consider selling your creative products to start making money online. For example, if you love taking pictures of animals, you might be able to sell them online. Or, if you have a knack for taking pictures of people, you may want to get hired as a photographer. You should try to take advantage of different social media marketing strategies that can help you get your name out there. That way, more people will learn about your art and photography, and they will be interested in the services you provide. Keep in mind that art comes in many shapes and forms. You might be skilled with a paintbrush, or you might be skilled with a computer. Digital artwork has become very popular during the past few years, and you might want to use your skills with the computer to produce digital artwork for other people. With so many people interested in starting an online business or their own online store, you might even be able to produce artwork and photography that can double as a logo for a new company. Do not forget to ask your customers to leave reviews that can help you expand your online presence. That way, you can generate more business for yourself. Sell your old clothes. You might be interested in starting an online e-commerce business or your own online store. There are plenty of options available, so consider selling your old clothes to make money online. There are plenty of stores that would happily list your clothes for a small fee. Generally, these online programs take 8% of every sale. Keep this in mind when you are figuring out how to price your clothes. If you take a look at your closet, there is a good chance that there are clothes in there that you have not worn for more than a year. You may want to pull out all of the clothes in your closet and divide them into different piles. One pile might be for clothes that you want to keep, while another pile might be for clothes you want to donate. Finally, you should have a third pile of clothes that you want to sell to earn money. Make sure you take good pictures and pair your clothes with attractive product descriptions. We hope you enjoyed the video. Tell us what you think about the video in the comments section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell button to get updates when we post new videos.